least common multiple. September 30th, 2020, our mini lesson. So we are going to talk about the least common multiple today. So our least common multiple is going to be just as it says, the least or the smallest of the common multiples. So for example, this picture, if you do click this picture, it will take you to the math notebook. That will take you to more examples of multiples and least common multiples. So for example, the multiples of 3 include 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. So the multiples, it would be, you'd start with 3 times 1, which is 3, 3 times 2, which is 6, 3 times 3, which is 9, 3 times 4, which is 12, or you can see it as 3, and then you add 3, you get 6, add another 3, you get 9, another 3, you get 12, and it can go on and on and on and on forever. So least common multiples can go on and on and on and on. So 3 is a multiple of 3 because 3 can go into 3. 6 is a multiple of 3 because 3 can go into 6. 3 can go into 9. 3 can go into 12. And so on. Same thing with multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on and so on. The least common multiple, or the lowest or the first number that they share and have in common, when you see these numbers, so do they share 3? No. How about a 5? No. 6? No. 9? No. 12? No. 15? Woo! Bingo! So that 15 is going to be the first or the least common of the multiples. Yes, there could be more common multiples, but the least of the common multiples is 15. So number 1 over here, what is the least common multiple of 4 and 6? Step 1, what we're going to do. What are the first 10 multiples of 4? Well, I know the multiples of 4 are going to be 4, then 8, and then 12, 16, 20, 24. So we're going by 4s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 10. So let's get up to 10 to give us a good start. 28, 32, 36, and 40, and so on. So they keep going. So I am going to put those dots because they keep going. So the first 10 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Also, you can count that we have 10, or you can know, okay, 4 times 10 is going to be 40, so that's going to be the first 10. Okay, next, what are the first 10 multiples of 6? All right, so we're going to go up by 6s. And we always start with that number because 6 is a multiple of 6. 6 can go into 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and last but not least, 60. That is our 10. Now I am putting those decimal or those dots there because multiples go on and on and on. Now, what is the first or the smallest number that they share? So do they share a 4? No. How about an 8? No. How about a 12? They share a 12. So that 12 is actually going to be our first or least of the common multiples. So our least common multiple of 4 and 6 is going to be 12. So the first number that 4 and 6 can go into, the smallest number that 4 and 6 can go into is 12. So that is all for the least common multiple. Great job.